we are ready for a gel change. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be playing with an eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. Like, I swear I do at least like 2 of these a month. No lie. Not like intentionally, but I really want to because I love these. They're so cute. So I'm going to be trying this out. This is their Citrus Fizz Pressed Powder Palette. They have 4 colors. They have Squeezed, Zestful, So Tart, and Peel Away. Kind of citrusy, like, not really. It's very fall, like, to winter kind of colors, so that's why I chose this palette to try out today. Also, I have a stack that I'm going through, so these are going to be popping up often. Normally, my videos on my channel, you'll see them, what, Thursdays and Sundays? These might be popping up in between. You never know. I know I've already done a couple, so we'll see. Let me open this up. Usually what I do is I usually open these from the bottom. Most everything is easier to open from the bottom. I know, I'm weird like that. These are so freaking cute though. These are perfect for like on the go and you want like a whole look without the whole shablam. But this is cute. This is what I would personally call a mini palette, or I don't know, something Lidl to go. But this is just a regular palette for Colourpop, I guess. Cute colors though. I'm excited to see how these go on. Colourpop's formula, per usual, is amazing, lovely, fantastic, and this should be no different, right? So we have 2 mattes. Oh, let me open it back up. 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. Real easy, real simple, hopefully really quick. I applied the rest. Not really the rest. I still have my lips to go, but I have a lot of my makeup on right now. Let me throw on some sunflowers to help hold my hair back because I have these wonderful bangs that just do not want to leave my face alone. And I don't really have a little mirror, so I'm going to come in with my big Colourpop Hocus Pocus mirror because I love this thing. I love it. It's so wonderful. How are we going to go about this? We'll just go with it. We'll just find ourselves, make some magic. I have my big puffy brush because I feel like for my 2 mattes, this is going to come in handy, like my bigger fluffer brush for my eyeshadow. And then the shimmers, I'm probably just going to use my finger, honestly. That's just who I am as a person. So let's come in with the lighter shade first. Ooh, that's a lot that comes off. Look at that. A lot. And let's begin. Wow. Cute. This is a nice transition shade. I like this a whole lot. And whatever's left, or in this case, I'm going to come in with just a smudge. Same color and drag it along my lower lash. Not a lot. We're not crazy. I mean, we're not getting crazy with this color. We might be crazy. It's nothing perfect, nothing wow, nothing amazing, a little messy, and that's okay. I like this. Honestly, I don't think I would leave this look so far just by itself, but who knows. All right, now with this one, I want to try and keep it more in my crease and the outside of my lid. So let's do this. This is going well so far. For I can't even talk. For what it's worth, I could probably leave this look the way it is, apply some mascara, maybe a liner if I'm feeling a little frisky, and leave it as is. Because this came out pretty good so far. I like it. And I do love my mattes. If you know me at all, or you've watched any of my other eyeshadow videos, you know I love mattes. I love mattes. They're great. Now I'm going to come in with these two little shimmery shims. And I think I'm a little different when I come in and do at least the shimmers, because I like to go backwards, kind of, instead of going, dark to light. Yeah, instead of in to out, I do out to in. Let me show you. I'll start with this one here. Oh God, so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Wow. Crazy color payoff right there. That's insane. Yep. And blend that bottom lash. It came a little too far down right here on this one. That's okay. And then take a little tissue, paper towel, what have you, wipe it off. And then right over to this one, the darker one. And we're going in the middle. Dum, dum, dum. Wow. Wow, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. And then whatever's left on my finger, I'll come and just blend it in the middle down here. Same thing for the other side. I don't particularly like using my fingers because I feel like no matter how much I washed or try to clean it, there's still stuff stuck in there. So I'm not a huge fan, but I'm a huge fan of this look so far. Let me add some mascara. So my thoughts on this palette are pretty good. I really love this look. It's simple, it's amazing, it's perfect. I think I'm gonna use this for all of like my holiday occasions this year, this holiday season, because it's so quick, it's so easy, it's so simple, and it's like I love using all the shades in my palette because it's like, I get to represent everything in it, and I feel like this is such a good representation of all the colors in the palette, in the little baby palette, whatever you want to call it. And it's such a simple and lovely look. I mean, can you? I really like this. I do. Have you guys tried any of these little like quad shadow palettes or pressed powder palettes from Colourpop? So far they're all really great, really amazing. I mean, the day that a Colourpop palette doesn't perform well for me, I think will be a bad day. It's gonna be a horrible day. Awful, terrible, no good day. And I've tried quite a few and there's still more to come. So I mean, as long as their formula continues to be amazing and great, it's gonna be a good day whenever I decide to pop one of these on. And today's gonna be a good day. I have a few things to head out and do, so I hope this lasts all day. Most of the time it does, especially when I lay down like my eyeshadow primer, the Beauty Crop one that I have. Chef's kiss. Such a good job. This shadow is doing such a good job right now. Paired it with a cute like red orange lippy for the like colder season I want to happen today, even though it's gonna get into like the high 70s again. We'll see, because I'm gonna be out all day and all night, so it'll fit with the night when it starts to get cold again, which will be nice. I will like it. I really love this look. I can't get enough. I hope I take a lot of pictures today, or I get a lot of pictures done today with this, because I like it. I do. Yes. Did you guys try this one in particular? I don't feel very, what do you call yourself, citrusy? I don't feel very citrusy. This is like when citrus starts to go bad. You see like the brown, and this is very much like champagne-y fall, cooler nights, bubbly drinks, very fun. That's where I get like the fizz. I get citrus, no, not even a little bit. But anyway, this palette's good nonetheless. Nonetheless, this palette is good. I'm gonna go because I have, like I said, things to do, but I will catch you next time. Remember, hit the like and the subscribe button if you enjoyed what you saw. Bye.